We got a chance to do some camping this weekend out of Tallahassee, Florida, near Lake Jackson. I'm going to show you the easiest recipe I've ever made, smoked queso dip. Let's get this going. Two jalapenos chopped up. You guys have seen this stuff before, right? Rotel. This is the one with the green chilies. 2 cans. What I got here chopped up? 1 pound Velveeta cheese. 1 small red onion chopped up. 3/4 of a cup of cream cheese. 1 pound of spicy sausage. 1 pound of Gouda cheese. 3 pieces of bacon chopped up, 1 pound of shredded, 1 pound, 8 ounces shredded Mexican cheese, Mexican blend, 1 can cream of mushroom soup. Just going to get the lid to our ASMOKE open. Look at that, fits perfectly. And I've got 1 pound of Cajun andouille sausage we're going to put on here. It's been 20 minutes. I just want to show you what it looks like. It's not going to be done. You can see cheese not melted. It's starting to get there. I do want to put a little bit of this pork rub, this barbecue rub in there. What I'm going to do is get about, I'd say that's a tablespoon and a half. Just give us some more flavor. This will probably take about 45 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Cheese is starting to melt a little bit here. Just going to do our first stir. Get all this goodness mixed in together. I'm getting pretty hungry. It's a little cold here today, in the 50s. May take a little longer than I was expecting due to the outside cold temperature. But no worries, we're just enjoying the day. We're at the 50-minute mark. Look at that deliciousness. All melted in. I've probably stirred it 3 or 4 times. This goodness is ready to get off here. Let's do a taste test. Plate this guy up. Got some more Rotel. You can use diced tomatoes for this piece right here. We got a little cilantro. And then the final thing I got, about 2 more tablespoons of chopped fried bacon. Now tell me that doesn't look delicious. We got our queso dip here. We'll try one of these scoopers first. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Smoky, cheesy, sausagey, is that a word? And bacony. Got some of that andouille. I know, somebody's going to comment it's a heart attack just waiting to happen. You only live once. Oh my gosh.
This is so good. This is super cheesy. And you can taste the sausage and the cilantro on top. Added just the right little zing. This is great.
You guys saw how easy that was to make.